Recording processes and best practices with CabinetM. Managing marketing technology is more than just products and people. It's also about processes and best practices. On CabinetM, you have the ability in your enterprise admin tools to actually map all of the processes that help you drive an effective marketing operations program. You can add a new item here, title it, link to any documents, who authored it, the publication date, and an overview, and then click Save. Here are some examples of some processes inside of CabinetM. What do you do when you request a new tool? When requesting a new tool, the following process should be followed. How about a best practice for your organization? Reference checking tools being evaluated. Now you have the ability to put that in CabinetM and quickly access it as you want to share it with different stakeholders in your organization. Head over to CabinetM and check out this feature today.